Welcome back, my doodles. So, we ate some brownies.
Sean's pretty high right now. I'm sorry, guys.
It'll be interesting to see how this one goes, because this is probably the most stoned that I've been while trying to do this.
Do you want me to, like, let them know what's up?
No, I can do that. So, went over to my parents' house today, and Megan and my mother went to the Oriental Market here in town, and they went shopping. They ended up getting $50 worth of fucking Oriental snacks that we have no idea what they are, because we don't speak Japanese or Korean or whatever language is printed on.
Chinese.
Chinese.
There you go.
Okay, apparently from our producer Emily, it's Chinese. Yeah.
You looked like you were doing this to the camera, but it's not.
Yeah, they can't see you, but yeah.
Emily, come.
She just gave you guys. She gave you deuces. Was like, what's up?
Hi guys.
So yeah, we have a shit ton of fucking snacks. It came in a big ass fucking box. It'll be a 3-part show because we can only get through so much.
We already had dinner, so
time. Yeah.
we can only handle so much food.
Guys,
if I eat some shit, I might throw up.
What?
ready for the first one?
Alright, so apparently we're going for the first one now.
Oh,
Jesus fuck.
God damn!
Do you want...
Taro cakes.
Okay, one of the sides says with natural cream and crust with unique flavors of fragrant. And then one of the sides says the skin with natural cream and crisp is passed down in Taiwan in the 1960s.
So it's made out of taro root. I have tried taro root. So we're trying these taro cakes, and they look really soft, but they're kind of hard.
They look gross.
Okay, so
It looks like a weird, like, Fig Newton kind of deal.
ooh,
Is that jelly? Ew, what the fuck
is
that?
taro root.
I thought that was
What is that?
it's like a potato.
Th
Do you want me to look it up?
It's like a potato.
Ooh, it
I don't know,
actually
that's
kind of
what
smells
makes it
good.
Kind of smells like a Fig Newton.
Yeah. Okay.
I'll
cheers.
try that. All right. Kind of like a real thick
A
Fig Newton.
taro root is a tropical plant grown primarily for its edible forms. The root vegetable is most commonly known as taro.
Okay. The initial texture I get from the middle is that it's gum, right? But you have to eat it.
But that's why I said the outside's so dry.
It's so dry.
Like literally, I have no liquid in my mouth.
It tastes like a British biscuit wrapped around a piece of chewed gum. Right?
It is like a sweet potato.
That is exactly no.
Chew gum.
What she's here. Try this.
Try it.
Eat that. Just eat it. Trust me. What she just said.
Chewed gum texture, right?
She says it's a British biscuit wrapped around chewed gum. I'm like, that's about right. That's spot on. I'm covered in this
It's
shit.
okay. We'll back in tomorrow.
Fucking shit.
It actually isn't bad though.
It's
It's
apparently
just weird.
related to the ginger.
Yeah, it's a root.
Well, I mean, it doesn't. It's not. It doesn't taste bad.
Your mom makes taro root into mashed potatoes.
It definitely didn't look like this on the inside.
It wasn't so
looked
clean.
gross
It was all...
on the inside.
I feel like we should crack open another one so you can see the fucking inside of it.
I thought we showed them.
We didn't show them the inside.
Taro root just makes you feel like you're choking. Like, what the hell? It's so, like, thick or something.
Are you guys ready for the next one?
Oh, there's my fucking lighter. Found it. Bingo. Yeah. Give it a got it. We need to work on throwing.
You know, you say that every episode, but I'm not going to work on it.
We need to, seriously though,
Okay.
we need to work on it.
So it's called Chat Chat,
We have 2 packets.
and it looks like it's strawberry flavored.
Well, it says
What
that on
makes
the
you
package.
Throw it.
Does it say strawberry?
That guy's a strawberry.
The
And it
guy
also
is,
says
but...
strawberry flavor on
It's
it.
strawberry flavor.
Oh, I didn't see that part.
Sean,
We
don't
know
be a
that.
dick.
I saw the hieroglyphics or whatever underneath it.
characters.
And it says cream wafers.
Okay.
Also says garden with a little chef on there.
Don't open that one. We can open
I'm not
this
going to
one.
open this one. Are you kidding me?
Here,
Okay.
go back to me.
So here's one for you.
Oh, these are the things
I used
that Dad
to love
fucking
these
loves
when I
this
was
shit.
little. Oh, it smells like fresh berries. Like not artificial strawberry, like fresh.
No, these things are like legit. This reminds me of my childhood.
We have like 3 of them.
Oh yeah.
Next time we go to this market, we gotta get these for Dad. He'll lose his fucking mind. Yeah, it's getting too hard for me to choke it down. Yeah, you eat it.
Savory.
You keep throwing it to him. I want some too.
Well, I would give you
Oh.
some.
So actually, I picked these out for Sean because he loves what brand is it? Little Debbie?
It's Hostess.
Hostess. He loves ding dongs.
Ding dong, this is my shit.
And so I saw these, as you probably saw earlier, and was like, ooh, I should get these for Sean. It says corn nick, green peas, cracker nuts, peanuts, and fava beans. We got a nice
so
candy to
that
go
is
with
that
it.
is so not ding dongs.
I know.
I didn't.
That's like a mean trick to play on somebody. Just be like, oh, I got your favorite ding dongs, and then you hand them that, and they're like,
That was the point of me getting these.
yeah, it was very disappointing.
She
I
got
heard-
another thing.
Do we eat one thing at a time, or do we eat like a little handful?
Oh, just give me a little pour.
We'll pour, you know.
What the fuck is this?
It has peas in it and fava beans.
It
Oh,
looks like
shit.
dog food and corn.
There's no corn in there. It's peas.
What is this?
Okay, cheers.
That's all the
What is that thing?
Ooh, it smells good, baby.
What is this? That's corn, right? It looks like corn.
Corn nick,
Oh, then
green
this
peas,
is the corn nick.
cracker nuts, peanuts.
Cracker.
Shut up.
That sounds
Don't
like
say
when
it, babe. Don't say it. I know we all know what you meant and why you're laughing. And fava beans,
Yeah.
all in one snack. A great way to
It
enjoy.
didn't come with the nice Chianti.
I said we did get a nice Chianti to go with
Oh,
it.
great.
Cheers.
Well, where is it?
I don't have fucking.
Hey, guys.
Fucking Chianti.
I like that shit. I like it. If you're allergic to peanuts, soy, or wheat, don't eat these.
That was
I
awesome.
like
That
it.
shit sure
I like it.
I don't know.
I like
I
it.
mean, it's all right, but it's like,
Emily, you want to try it?
yeah, try this shit. It's weird.
Oh, shit.
Just like all in one.
Yeah. Just eat it. It's good, right?
There's like a weird texture issue going in there. Like, I'm okay with it, but it's surprising.
Okay. I gotta stop. I'm gonna get full. Okay.
I kind of like that.
Oh, shit. So, I picked this out.
What the fuck is that shit?
I don't fucking know.
It looks
Do you
gross.
want me to tell you?
But, no. I want to try it, and then I want you to tell us.
Okay.
Your mom picked this out, and she was like, I wonder what it is, and I'm like, I don't give a shit, throw it in. It was in the snack aisle. It's in like, the fact that it's in a tube
Okay,
like
can
this.
I look at this thing?
Don't look at it too much because it actually says on it what it is,
Yeah,
and we
it
can't
does.
know until we eat
It's
it.
on the back.
It's edible.
Why?
Yes.
He always gets
I
to
wanna-
open stuff. Can you smell it?
It smells like prunes or something.
Ooh. It does.
It
yeah.
smells like prunes.
It's not prunes, but okay.
It's not prunes?
Is it apricot?
No.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so this is what it looks like.
It's like strings.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. That's weird.
I don't like it.
Do you want to know?
Yeah, what is it?
It's preserved plums.
Yeah, that's why.
But it's salty.
Really?
Yeah, try it.
Like, it's weird. It's like, you can tell that it's definitely plum because it smells like prunes and shit.
God, it's all in strings.
But that's what I'm saying. But like when you eat it,
Well,
got
it
a
is
weird,
preserved.
It's
so.
got a weird saltiness to it,
Yeah, there's salt on it.
right?
Hold on.
Yeah. It's fucking bizarre.
Get through it, girl.
It's not
Take a
anything you
drink.
would ever expect, right?
Yeah, it's so salty.
Yeah, it kind of catches you out of nowhere.
It's like
and
salted raisins, and I hate salted raisins.
No. It's,
I don't like raisins,
It's weirder
period.
than salted raisins.
Well,
like,
yeah, but
you
it's...
eat those raisins in the trail mix, and that's kind of good. But that was a whole fucking different thing. That
Okay.
wasn't even the right game.
Pass us something. Oh, shit. What the hell?
Don't ask me.
We need to work on that throw.
Okay, so...
Why does that look like
This
barbecue something or other?
is what we're eating. I feel like it's like jerky, like an Asian jerky or something.
It doesn't have any English text on it at all.
So,
I know what it is.
Is it safe for us to eat?
Yes.
okay. Well, yeah, of course it is.
I don't know.
I went through the snack aisle. Okay.
This is where Megan.
Oh my god, what is it?
It has to be double wrapped. Is it gonna
Is it
stink
sting?
super fast?
I don't know. I don't ask.
Is this something you've never had before?
Yeah, I've never had it.
Is it something that like most people have never had?
I mean, it's popular, but like not in our
It's
country.
popular. Oh, is
Well,
it gonna be messy?
It's
I
gotta
don't
be like it. I mean, of course it's
doesn't-
popular. They wouldn't make it if it wasn't.
Oh god.
Why is it wet? It looks wet.
Oh, it smells like wet cat food. Is it cat?
No, it's not cat.
It smells like wet cat food.
Oh, Emily, smell this shit.
Oh god, I don't want to.
Come over and
It
smell
literally,
it.
it does. It smells just like wet cat food. Oh, okay. So
You can blame Megan for this one.
This is one of the weird ones that I was like, ooh, maybe it's beef jerky.
it looks like
It's not beef.
it looks like pressed shit.
Show them.
It looks like pressed shit.
Am I gonna
Is
throw
this
up?
like something I can peel apart, or is this? Oh shit! Whoops.
It's supposed to come in 2 parts.
No cat hair.
No cat hair. It smells just like wet cat food. Oh, if it tastes like wet cat food, I'm gonna throw
Is
the
it some
fuck
type
up.
of fish?
No, it's not fish.
Is it meat?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
meat. No, it's just some
Is this like?
artificial-
Is this real meat, or
Okay.
is this like? This is what.
Define real meat.
This is. This is.
Oh, look at the inside.
Oh my God! There's bones in it.
Oh my god, there is.
Oh no way!
Oh no!
Oh, are you kidding me?
It is part of an animal.
They're like finger bones or some shit.
It's not fingers.
What is it?
Is it a penis?
No.
Okay.
Penises don't have a bunch of bones. Oh my
Yeah,
God.
you're right. Okay.
Oh. Yeah, that's a bone.
That's why it was so hard.
Okay.
Okay, you give me a little
What
piece.
is this?
Do you want to
No,
know?
we
Yes.
can't know until we try
I
it.
don't.
We can't. It's not gonna kill us. We don't
It
know until
is
we
a
try
snack
it.
food that has bones in it, and you're not concerned.
Stop.
My
Do
God.
not tell him until we've eaten it.
I'm not telling you guys until you.
Fuck you guys.
Is it? It has like that tuna smell to it. You know the like tuna
I
cat
promise you,
food?
it's not a
A
fish.
fish. Am I gonna be so grossed out when I find out what it is?
I don't know, maybe.
Ready?
I don't want it.
Do you want me to grab some of this?
It has a texture of beef jerky.
It does, but
The flavor is the same as the smell.
if I show you what I have in my hand,
Show them the bones.
how about I show them the toenail?
It's not a nail, by the way.
Well, it looks like a fucking toe, and I'm like, what the fuck is that? So
Okay.
what is it?
It is spicy duck neck.
Okay, that's not as gross.
I was
as
gonna say like
expecting.
it does taste like duck jerky, but
Yeah, it's just duck, but it's the neck.
Obviously, you like it.
well, after I took that first bite, I was like, it's not bad.
You just
It's like,
gotta get around
it's
the
like
bones.
jerky. I eat chicken wings all the time. I was just not expecting a snack in a package to have bones in it. I was a little...
I gotta get a paper towel.
Most snack foods don't pass anybody's snacks yet.
I was taken aback. But these ducks, these poor ducks, died for my snacking pleasure.
That's their job. I mean, that's probably
Well,
and
let's
when
hope
you
that's
guys
not
were
their
saying,
job.
like tuna and stuff, I was like, well, it's an aquatic kind of feature, but
Because duck does
I'm
kind
getting
of
this bag. I don't think there's gonna be anything else like utterly disgusting.
It's not disgusting when you know what it is.
I
I was just shocked about the bones. If I know what the bones are, you know, it's not like a foot or nothing.
okay, ready for the next?
wait. Are we still recording?
Yeah.
You sure?
Though,
Okay.
who's gonna really buy this as a snack? This is impossible to fucking eat.
I don't know.
Can I throw this
Like-
away? Are you done with this?
Well, yeah, but I'm still working on this part. But goddamn, like, yeah, it takes forever.
Okay, ready?
Pain in the ass. Are you supposed to eat the bones?
Shh, I don't know. Okay. So next snack is a ramen snack. Original Ramen by GGE. There you go. I think it's like ramen noodles is like almost like a cracker, like chips and crackers. Like
Chips
like
and
how
crackers.
you'd eat chips. It's like ramen.
Let's hope so, because I mean, yeah.
Ooh, it smells good. It smells like chips.
It smells like those crunchy things they put on your, like,
Yeah.
Asian salad.
And that's kind of what they look like. Just reach in and grab a little bunch. Okay.
Or they're like
Cheers.
little chow mein noodles or some shit. No.
I like them.
They're not bad. They're just kind of boring.
That one's
Damn it.
lost forever.
Yeah. Nobody will ever hear from that one again. Gone.
Until we vacuum our house like normal people.
Well, once we move the couch, but
I like them. It has a cute little cartoon on it.
yeah, not my favorite.
Oh, it's actually distributed in Santa Fe.
Wow.
Product of Taiwan. All right, next one, Emily.
Okay.
Ah, crap.
This is gonna be
Oh, jug of juice. Okay.
Yep.
So, guayabano. I'm guessing it has guava in it. Here's what it looks like. It's like in a bag. It reminds me of one of those little applesauce things.
Yeah, but
Contains 100% fruit juice. Shake well before opening. Now shake it.
just open it.
You look so done, Sean.
Well, no, because I have a feeling this is going to be gross.
Okay. It's a product of the Philippines.
Well, whatever fruit they have on the front of it, I've never had that, and it looks gross. Great.
You go first. Or do you want to pour it in a little glass so we can both...
I'm going to smell it.
Ooh, I'll put it in a shot glass.
It smells like pineapples.
I got a funky smell from it.
It smells like pineapples.
Just drink it.
Just take a drink.
Okay. It's kind of like pineapple. Like it's got a weird.
Here,
Can you put your finger on that one?
Ooh, it kind of has like almost a grape flavor to it, like on top of the pineapple.
Like if you took a grape and a pineapple and
they had a
made
baby.
Them, yeah, they had
like
a
they
baby.
fornicated.
One of those. I don't know.
Right? A grape and a
It's
pineapple.
fucking weird.
So
That would be great. with some vodka
guabana
and
or
ice.
whatever it's called, I guess, is like the mix of a pineapple and a grape.
We're mixing that with the vodka that's in there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Get a little more crossfaded for our conversations.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
I enjoyed that.
Oh,
We're gonna
my-
save that for the munchies later.
Yeah.
I have a juice obsession, so
Ooh, that's
left.
Yeah. Left.
No, right.
Done. What?
It was my
She meant
left.
her left.
Oh. Have fun, guys.
We really need to work on that throwing.
Green mustard peas. I don't know. I figured these are gonna be kind of like wasabi beans, like wasabi peas. So
Are they just free-balling in there? Or they're individual packages?
I think they're individual packages.
Thank God. Because I was like,
we
don't
fancy
we don't need to open all that shit.
Oh, it's just a cute little
Boom.
package.
What the
Okay,
fuck?
so
Are they like?
do you want each our own package or do you want to share?
Well, I mean, let's share, because if they're gross, I don't want any.
Here.
Well, and you
Mustard
love me,
green
you like to share
beans.
things with me.
Yeah. Oh shit, I was gonna be like, wonder what the ingredients are of this. And I mean, really, it's just
Oh, they're like.
they're
You
peas.
can open one.
They're green peas.
Okay, let's
Alright.
open it.
I don't know what
I called them green beans earlier, but no.
Do you
they're
think it's gonna be
green
like
peas.
spicy mustard?
I don't know. Is it the camera center?
Oh.
Because it looks like it's like way over here.
Yeah, it moved.
Jesus. It's because there's too much weight when you set that down.
Yeah,
It hit the cord.
it hit the cord. So.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. So these are the tiny little baby packages. They're super cute.
Do you think it's gonna be like mustard?
But why are the bags so small? Are they like super spicy? And they're like, you can't have too many or your butthole will blow up.
No, they're like each one of these tiny little
Oh, it
packages
came apart. Yours came apart.
is like 15,000 calories.
Okay, ready?
They
One,
don't have a
2,
smell.
3. Wasabi.
The
Straight up wasabi.
Those are good though.
But they're not spicy.
here,
But they
let me
just
try.
taste, they have
I don't wanna
wasabi
open.
flavor. Ah, give me some of that shit. I'll fucking eat those. I'll eat those for fucking days.
I don't want to open a package and then be like,
They're not even spicy.
No, but they're awesome.
I wish they had a little more spice.
oh, those are really good.
Right? Just,
Ooh.
I love the wasabi flavor.
Wait, I feel like it's more horseradish, but aren't they like pretty much the same thing?
I'm just gonna eat these off camera. Yeah.
Eat them off camera, dude. They have my tongue. It's not a lot.
You're sissy.
It's on the corner of my tongue. It's not a lasting hot. It's just like a boom, and then it's gone.
Those are delicious. How much was that thing?
I don't know. I can look at the receipt.
Because, yeah, I mean, I'd buy a bag of those.
Oh, let me go look.
I mean, I guess I'd buy another bag of those. But yeah, it's weird they're in such little tiny packages.
You can put this like on your in your purse or your pocket, and then just like at work.
Yeah.
Wait, what did we just eat?
The mustard green peas.
Mustard green peas.
$3.29 for that bag. And that bag was full.
I was gonna say there's a bunch of these little tiny packets in there.
Sean, at least save like one more bite for me.
There's still half a bag. They're peas, so those tiny little bags hold a shit ton.
Let's see how many are in here.
There's still so many peas in the bottom of this little pouch.
Yeah,
Ooh.
it's super full.
Yeah, we need to like take some of those to Mom. Mom would fucking love them.
She got super excited when I picked these out. Ooh, look, the cashews. They have a whole bunch of different stuff.
I don't even know what that other one says.
I don't know.
I don't even know what this one says.
So
I
here's
just
the
see-
back.
Yeah, it's the front. Thank God it's got it in English. Because I'll be like, it looks like there's peas.
So
Oh yeah.
these are super good.
Oh shit. But check this out. I mean, like, there's like fucking bags.
And that's only like a third of it.
Yeah, there's like bags and bags of these in here. For
Here.
$3 something?
And they're called Zen Zen. That's the company.
Zen Zen.
Yeah,
Here.
Zen Zen.
I threw that other piece of candy at you, right? Like the one you said left and I but oh wait, they're over here.
That's like my favorite shit. I'll
Okay.
eat that stuff for days.
Lychee candy. I've never tried this before, so it'll be interesting. I feel like I drank some lychee juice before. Maybe, I don't know.
Probably, yeah.
They're like hard candy. So.
from downtown. We gotta work on your catching too, Emily.
Shut up, Sean.
So they're in cute little pink packages.
They're clear. Like, not clear, but like...
Oh, they are! Yeah.
Doesn't smell like much.
It smells good.
Doesn't smell like anything.
Ooh, I like it. It's almost kind of citrusy.
That's
like
not the taste I'm getting.
Not me either.
It's like,
Like potpourri.
yeah, it's like the smell incense has.
Kinda.
I'm getting like mango-y.
Like burning flowers.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's kind of what I'm getting.
It smells like what that candle would taste like.
Very much. That's what I get too. Why is it super good for you and terrible to us?
You want some of them?
Why would yours be different?
I don't know.
Mine just tastes like if you like went into a garden and just
Yours tastes the same.
The beginning of yours tastes weird. I want mine back.
No.
Ready, guys, for the last one?
Yes.
Last one. Oh, jeez.
Who is that going to?
Just keep an eye on it.
Cool.
What
So,
the fuck are these things?
Oh!
Jelly straws.
They're jelly straws. There's pineapple, apple, cherry, grape, and strawberry.
Can I have apple one?
I'm guessing that's the green one.
Hope so.
Pass me one of
Ew.
those things.
What?
Pass me one of those things.
I'm gonna eat a red one because I trust the red one.
I don't think I'm gonna like this at all.
Alright, well, let's crack them open. Oh, wait, the caution. Apparently there's a caution
On the
on here.
back.
Chill for better taste.
That's not the caution, but okay.
The caution.
Yeah.
It's caution.
Chill for
Please
better
do not
taste.
swallow the
Caution.
product whole. So don't down it.
It's like,
Oh, it says it
seriously,
right on
come
here, like on the individual things. Wait, no, it has directions on how to. Oh, that was my bad. On how
Did
to
you
open
spill
it.
all of them out?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it squirted out.
That's why I'm doing it over this box.
'Cause it said you're supposed to do it like. Oh, Jesus. So is it a liquid or a solid? Like, what the fuck's going on here?
It's
It's a
Jello. You just suck it down like a worm or something.
Oh.
Once you get it open.
Mm-hmm. It's Jello. It's fucking Jello.
Alright, there we go.
If it was, I hate Jello so bad.
Whoa.
Don't swallow it whole. That was what the whole caution was about. Don't swallow it whole. Chew.
I am.
Unless
You want me to eat yours?
Yes, actually, please. But don't swallow that one either.
You have to like suck it out. It's so weird.
It's so gross. Fuck.
I like it.
I hate Jello. Jello is disgusting.
Jello is the best.
Like, the flavor of it's good, but the texture of it just makes me want to throw up.
I think they're good. It's just Jello in a tube.
It is Jello in it too, but you know,
With a cute little hippo.
It's a more convenient.
I've had too much Jello shots to throw up, and it just ruins it for me.
Alright, so what was your favorite thing we tried today?
Those fucking peas.
Really?
Those, like, I'm going to eat the rest of those.
I don't know. I really
That's gonna
liked
be my new
everything.
snack.
Even the duck?
Not the duck, and I didn't
The
like
duck
those
was
prunes.
fucking weird. Like, who's gonna get necks in a package? Well, obviously you. You figured out, you found a place that sold necks in a package.
I didn't know what they were. I thought it was like beef jerky or something.
It kind of was, but it was just jerky of the neck of a duck.
Say goodbye, guys.
Oh. Alright, guys.
Later,
Thanks
doodles.
for hanging out with us. We have the munchies, so we're gonna go eat.
Yep, and probably pass the fuck out.
Yeah. Have a good night.